Go ahead.
Okay, I'll be honest. I bought this bottle because it looks cool. You actually mentioned this, that you wanted one. I was like, man, I saw that too. It looks really cool. But yeah, the old bowling pin, the shiny bowling pin. So these were first released in 1955, I think. Then you can get them in the 60s, 70s, 80s with different releases. So Jim Beam, 8-year. It's 86.8 proof. So probably going to be an easy drinker. We're going to get into this lineage next, but stay tuned for this one.
He's learning people.
Yeah, so let's get into this.
Oh, it's got a wax?
It's got a little
tack strip.
fake tack strip thing.
Now, why did they choose a bowling thing? Was this something that Jim was known for, or what?
That's a good question. I don't know if I know that. It might have just been because they're putting it in anything and everything to try to sell
so
whiskey.
it's like,
so it's another.
This is an emoji.
It's another gimmicky. I don't know if this twists off. Feels like it twists off.
Little-
There you go.
Uh-oh.
It's not a cork. It's a cap. All right, I feel good about that. All right, you're
And this
up
is a first crack, right?
Yeah, we just got it.
This bottle looks fun to pour. There we go.
Hey, remember when you said that you were
Oh, wow.
a great bowler and could like bowl like a 200 average? And I was like, I don't think that. Yeah, I was like, I don't think that's right. I don't think you're pro. And then I called out my buddy Sean Rash, and he was like, "Yeah, there's no fucking way he bowls 200. Yeah, maybe 100." But anyway, hey, Sean just won a championship over in Sweden. So
nice.
Shout out to you, Sean.
Congrats.
So, and I think you're coming to Dallas soon, or
Hey,
close
stop
there
by the
up. So
Blendery.
if you do, man, take this home. This one's yours. If you, I didn't even pour myself.
I know. What are you doing, man?
I don't know.
You got it. You got it. So,
Got
it's
me
Jim
doing
known.
too many reviews.
Hey, yeah. Well,
So
you reviewed 30-something damn barrels a day. That ain't got nothing to do with me. What
yeah,
is this
just
known
got
for?
my second win too, because I was
gone.
down and out. But
He
I
was
talked
toast.
I talked to my daughter, and I'm back in the game now.
There you have it, man. And I watched him, and Chance, I said, Chance, you good for some videos? So shout out to Chance, because he said, yeah, I should put on my Blendery shirt. And he saw I was laid in bed with nothing on. I mean, I had clothes on, people, but I had the door open. So it sound bad.
What kind of video is this?
But I was late, like no TV, and I was just like, yo, it's been a day. And I didn't do half what they did. But I did record, which we're still doing. We got double recording. You see this right now. This is double recording. One's on YouTube, one's here.
Fancy. You're recording, not the whiskey.
Cinnamon.
This is
Does it got are you tasting cinnamon, son?
a little bit, yeah. It's more like a subtle, light. I mean, kind of what you would expect. It's actually quite good. If you were wanting, about an 8-year low proof, it's just a super easy drinker. Kind of like how the bowling. Have you had one of the bowling things?
The old ones, yeah.
I mean, they're just
Oh, this is
they're
86.
just light. Yeah, they're just light,
It's
easy
water.
drinking. They're sweet.
You share this with a woman?
Little what?
Like, this is not some stuff you hang out with, you share with your boys.
Well, the reason it's that proof is that was the original proof when they did it.
Too bad. Disregard that. So I actually like it. I think it was $100 at KBF. Cool presentation.
Looked great on the bar.
I'm glad I bought it. I'm not going to buy another one.
Chance, what's your take?
He
I like
would,
it.
He would buy one.
I would buy one if I had the opportunity.
I would.
It's classic Beam profile, but just really light.
Guys, so what would you?
Good
what-
sweetness.
A little nuttiness.
Very like more bready than nutty.
That part I could see that for dang sure.
But it's good. Yeah,
It's
it's
not-
good.
it's not bad, I'm
It's
just-
a cool like shelf piece. After we drink that, I'd probably replace it with a better whiskey and use it as a decanter.
Yeah, I think it serves the
there
same
you
purpose
go.
the first one served. Is it's a decanter that looks pretty,
And that's why I
people
bought
buy
it. If it was,
So-
if it was in a normal bottle for
Is there-
$100
You
for
wouldn't have
8-year,
touched it.
80 proof, like I'd be like, nope.
Is there anything that you feel people should know about Beam? Because I don't hear a lot of people. And mind you, I'm new to whiskey, so don't pay me any mind. Is Beam something like? What's the best Beam product out there?
Hardens Creek.
Hardens Creek.
Hardens Creek had a good one. 211 month. I've got high hopes for this one. This is the second lineage, but we'll get into that.
Yeah.
I guess right now after this.
Yeah, well, guys, listen. Another review on Beam's Pin bottle. It's 86.8 proof. It's clearly gorgeous. It's going to look amazing on camera. A Kentucky straight bourbon whiskey. Is this a blend or what is it?
Oh, it's a large batch.
Oh, large batch, which we'll break down batching.
Large small batch.
A large small batch. Tim was able to grab some and share it with us. If you get this, as he said, it's an easy drinker for damn sure. I wouldn't say that it's.
I met some cool guys from Tennessee while I was waiting in line. Just FYI. They're nice guys.
Yeah.
Hey, if you're in the video and you remember meeting Tim, comment below. Shout out to everybody that's been polite and walked up to us and thanked us for what we're doing at the Blendery. This is more Blendery content with the boss man's perspective and my rhetoric.
That bottle does not beat the Green River. We did.
And costs more.
Costs a lot more.
There you go, guys. Keep it whiskey.